Hi Jerry, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test on the Clicker 1500 press. I've got it set up here. We're going to do a couple of cuts for you, a couple of different dies. I've got my cutting board mounted to the top, so we're going to be cutting up against it. I've got a small steel rule die here that I'm going to use. It's got 4 circles in it with a 4x4 square around it. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple of test cuts on this with your material here. We'll lay it on top of the die. We'll slide it right in. And this material is got a lot of static on it, so I don't know why this is going to stick to this. We're going to have to figure out a way to keep that from happening. Now, as you can see, this punches out the holes nice and neat on everything, nice and clean, and cuts out the whole circle. So the 1500 is going to work very good with your circles that you want to get cut, your basic donut shapes. Now and as you can see, the die pushes the material back up off with the ejection foam, so that it'll work very well with this type of material. The other type of die I'm going to try your other material here. I'm going to lay that down on top of this. And you can slide that in. And this one didn't stick as up on the platform, but yeah, it cut out very clean. Nice and clean circles, nice edges. So I think that's going to work well for you. Now the other type of die, it's the same type of die, but I'm going to use a larger cavity die. This is what we have for our business cards. It has the retractable registration pins in it in order to make sure your registration issue is not going to be a problem. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to work with your material, but you can actually, if you can fold this, you can probably get more than one layer. I'm not sure how that's going to work for you, if it works at all for you. But you can cut more than one layer of this at a time. What I'll do is I'll slide this in. And swing it back out here. As you can see, it cut out the whole thing. And with multiple layers, you'll be able to get multiple parts in the same cycle of the machine. So yeah, I think it'll work out well, depending on if this is a possibility. As you can see, you still have all your layers here. Your material is in the center, but it cut out all of the pieces nice and neat, all clean edges. And I think I'll send you this video over. I'll give you a call and we'll discuss it. Thanks, Jerry.